Hello everyone, welcome you all in this particular video. In this video that we are going to discuss why statistics is important for a data scientist person or a data analyst person. So let me give you one example first. Suppose we have one student, Rahul. Rahul scored 85 marks in mathematics and 80 marks in English. If I ask you a question on which subject Rahul did well, you all must say that in mathematics. Okay, that's fine. Actually, as expected, right? Let me give you one more scenario, that is the average score in a mathematics for whole class is 90 and the average score in English is 72. Then if I ask you the same question again, then you will change your answer and tell me that in the English Rahul did well. Now you can see you change your answer by looking at other data. That means you can't take any decision until and unless you analyze each and every data present in our dataset. That's why statistics is important everywhere, that may be in a business perspective or in a developing perspective. So statistical analysis is required everywhere, doesn't matter whatever the problem that you are solving in a data science. So I hope you got the idea why statistics is important for a data scientist person or a data analyst person. Thanks for watching.